Muscle glasses? You're becoming f***ing fat, bitch. I seen you doing some f***ing pull-ups the other day while you were eating bacon strips, and I was thinking, what the f*** was that shit? I mean, no bitch on earth would ever want to be seen with you, dude. And if she does, then she's f***ed up in the head, and she probably eats like you do. Yeah, man, I've seen your YouTube. I'd rather go to the bathroom right now and eat my poo-poo than have one taste of your f***ing meat Cthulhu. For me, I don't have meat Cthulhus because you know I'm a boss. I'll f*** you, bitch, and I sprinkle the pussy with some barbecue sauce. You have some kind of f***ing brain disease, because why on earth would a human think it's okay to walk around taking shots of bacon grease? Talk to him. Homie, if I ate half the shit you ate, I would just fall back and vomit it. Last episode, you had a f***ing ball turkey mounted on top of a large rack of sausages. If you got hungry enough, you'd probably eat a mountain of with a big ball sack on top of it. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Now it's on muscle glasses. Let's hear what you got.
Кто такой? Давай до свидания. Ты 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 кто такой? Давай до свидания.